Notice there's 2 fingers above the nostril approximately, and these are setting right in here. So as soon as those 2 knots hit there, watch the head, watch the feet. You see it? All he wants to do is get away from the pressure. Okay, so we're going to take the halter off. Notice, when I take the halter off, this is imperative, y'all. Okay? You have 5 major neck muscles right here. Neck muscle along the top of the crest, neck muscle down through the middle, 1 along the esophagus, and 2 here. We want to keep those soft. I want this animal to be appreciative, you know, and keep it quiet and soft and easy. So what I want to do is, I want to take my halter off, and I'm going to tip the nose here just a little bit. Notice how I'm rolling my hand, asking the nose to come over. And when it's right there, I'm going to take the halter off, and the head is down. And then I'm going to put the halter on, the new one. You're a nice mule, you are. I'm pushing with my finger over here, asking the head to come over here. Uncomfortable here. Comfortable over here. Got the point? Okay. So now I put the halter on here like this. What I did here. Oh, there it goes. And like I said, I want to pull this on like I'm pulling my socks on. It's going to be a little uncomfortable, but the mule will get it.
Yeah, I think my mule's going to be real uncomfortable once I adjust her halter.
Yeah.
She's going to be big surprise.
I'm just sitting there looking at her old halter, and I don't know if you can adjust it.
You know, I have spent hours with a pair of pliers and a sharp pick and put it in a bucket of softener, you know, and this sort of thing, trying to get it undone. I found that the best thing to do with these halters is to get rid of them.
Yeah.
You know? All right, now, I've got this on here, and notice it is snug, all right? But as I move my animal around and I start to use it, you might come up here and touch it. Come up here and feel it. Come up here and get a look at it. Come on. You're going to be making a couple more adjustments a little later on.
Wow,
That is tight.
Yeah.
Okay?
I'm going to say just adjust the curve, but you don't have to.
Yeah? Okay? Notice there's 2 fingers above the nostril approximately, and these are setting right in here. So as soon as those 2 knots hit there, watch the head, watch the feet. Do you see it? All he wants to do is get away from the pressure. All right?